Ladies and gentlemen, you guys will start to understand why I got the fall list up so soon. I am pressed with stuff coming on here. We're starting 2 new series on the channels. One is the Perfumers Talk, interviews with perfumers. The second, Perfume Material. You guys interested in becoming perfumers, learning more about the craft, the trade? I'm going to be vulnerable and put my journey into that on film as much as I can. I mean, some of it's intense and hard, and I'm not going to do hours and hours of filming. I'll figure it out as I go and try to just push play on the key points of certain things. Of course, I've been doing stuff up to this point. Some tinctures playing around. Now I'm starting to buy expensive material to tincture now that I got comfortable at doing florals, teas, coffees, herbs. I got a familiarity with cheaper ingredients, so we'll talk about that. I pull up to my post office box. It's one of the neighborhood ones. Literally get out of my truck and it's like there was an attraction, an animal attraction. I look around for an animal. Not joking. I can smell this from here. It lit up my truck while I let it stay in there overnight. There's no way I was letting it stay in my house. I open my mailbox. I'm like, holy crap, it's my mailbox. Pull it out. Woo! This smells. Title of the video, you know what it is. Let's open this thing. I'm scared. I'm so scared. I've never smelled once. I talked about that. That was the ketones, the fruit ketones, where I made a FedEx office smell for a month. It's a story for another day. I put it in one video. I wish I knew which video. Oh, this is strong. Oh. Okay, this guy just got a store. I know him as Mustafa Chauffeur. Sorry if I got that wrong. YAASEEN is the store on Etsy. I'll link it below. He's a hunter for top-end materials. It's beautiful. I get what it does. Wow. It's just, I'd rather smell it from down here. Woo! Oh, let's try to, I wanted to play with some Castoreum here, so here it is. Oh my goodness. He sent me some tinctures he does with the Castoreum. Oh, that's beautiful. Hopefully we can zoom in on this. I am not going to touch this. I will be doing tinctures in a bit. And I will show me tincturing. This should be soon. I have other material coming, and I'll try to put, I can taste it. Wow. This is sweeter. He gave me a good one. Thank you. This is sweeter than the Mellifluence one I just did. Through the baggie. There's that beef jerky. It's got a sweetness. It's beautiful. It's beautiful material. Okay, get gloves to handle this. Quit laughing, everyone, please. This is real. This isn't fake. Wow. I have the night. It's girls' night out, so I have the night to myself tonight. So this is woo. This is intense. I'm gonna get this in a bottle as soon as I get this off video. I don't even know if I can smell these over that. I'll try. Sorry, Moose. So this, he's playing around like crazy. He's doing bourbon, tinctures with Castoreum. Feel those lights going off? It's like, yeah, that would work. Rum. This is just pure Castoreum tincture, 10%. Wow. Smoked beef jerky. It's even smokier and denser than the, well, I got some on my fingers. This will be a weird night. This is going to be a weird night. Mix it with rose? I don't know. My bulldog's gonna go crazy. She loves this stuff. This is coffee, cardamom, saffron, almond, and coconut oil with black seed castoreum. So a nice mix. Wow, that's beautiful. Good job, Moose. That's beautiful. I hope you put this for sale up on the site. So I'll link his info down. A material hunter. You talk to him. It's between you guys. I paid for my stuff. These samples are stuff he just wanted to show me what he's doing, get feedback on what he's doing, and likewise, I'll be sending him samples on what I'm doing and learning collab style with Castoreum. But I paid him for the Castoreum. You guys, yeah, I'm sharing my sources. Look at that. I'm talking to other perfumers and they're like, they don't get, I'm like, dude, I have a channel. People with sources come to me like crazy. I probably know more than you. And they're like hiding stuff and they're like, give me somebody. And I'm like, oh, really? I know that guy. I knew him a year ago. I don't know if they're trying to get stuff out of me, maybe, but I give it. It's a good source right here. Northeast Castoreum. Oh, this is in his Kodo Shishi. He gave me this Kodo Shishi. It's beautiful, but without the Castoreum. Sandalwood. Man, that is gorgeous, Moose. This is freaking fantastic. And it needs to mature by 1/20/21. This already, Moose. This is good stuff. Really. I got the chills in the back of my spine. This is you're onto something here. You need to get this for sale for people. So you guys look for this one. I'm dead serious. Like, look, it'll sell out as soon as he puts it on Etsy. This is Northeast Powder Castoreum Maceration, 10% in his Kodo Shisho. Don't mess around with that Kodo Shisho. I've smelled the pure without the Castoreum. With this Castoreum, you're onto something, Moose. It's good stuff. You didn't give me none of the bourbon? I can do that myself. I'll message later about that. Here's 9%. Oh, he might mean skin safe. Moose, explain anything I didn't in the comments. Go off on there. Give people education. And feel free to put any other contact info besides Etsy down there. It's lighter than the last one. I like both. This is the third Al Sharif Oud with the Tibetan musk and sandalwood. I'm still trying to wrap my head around that thing. Melfons Abdullah with his Castoreum. I mean, that was intense. And even the wafts, they laughed about that one. This Moose, gorgeous, man. I'm not trying to say that because you gave me a good pod. I'm saying that because it's the real deal. You longtime viewers know what's up when my eyes go like that. That's really good oil. There we go. Look at this material. Castoreum. It looks like beef jerky too. It's like, I'm going to go get a glove, show you guys. Art of the video. All right, for art of the video, here we go. I hope it doesn't go through the glove too. Wow, that's cool. So it's like a little sack. I mean, literally. Some skin around it. I'm sure you blade the skin off and then play with the material. It's still got a lot of moisture in this one. He told me it did. A little bit of hair on it. I'll try to let it hang there. I'm probably going to do like 2 or 3 macerations and then a big batch of tincture with it. So, there we go. Oh, why did I do that? I'm putting it in, well, here, you guys can watch that. No, I'm not. I don't know how I'll get it back out. I don't have a wide mouth glass jar. with me handy. Wasn't prepared for this. Uh-oh, Tupperware time. I'll go find some after this video. Anyways, material, Real Deal Castoreum. I don't know if I'll use it, but I definitely want to know what it is. I want to play with it. It did protect my hands, so there you go. These are the nitrile gloves off Amazon. I believe all perfumers should wrap their heads around this. Vegans, I get it. I get staying away from it, and I get the conviction. That's fine. It's like if you eat meat, know where it comes from, kind of thing. And perfumery, there's as long as it's ethically sourced, everything's up on the up and up in this. I'm learning about it, but it's something. No matter what direction I go, I need to understand the beauty of this, the beauty of the leather, to know what it's doing. Too many people are skipping that part and learning the tricks instead. Many people that are. I'd rather go to the source and at least know that before I go anywhere else. So that's what I'm doing. Still building my convictions on the ethics of these ingredients, making sure everything is ethical, and that when I do release stuff, I can defend it and have a pure conscience when I do with whatever materials I choose. You and yours, love you guys. Stay safe. Be blessed.